In this tutorial, you will learn how to calibrate the printer for your media. If your printer exhibits feeding errors like stopping in the wrong location or feeding a blank label between printed labels, perform a media calibration to correct this condition. Open the printer. Verify the media sensor is in the correct location for your media. Pull the end of the media out the front of the printer. Press the media down under the media guides. Close the printer. Press and hold the pause and cancel buttons for 2 seconds. The printer will feed and measure several labels. Remove the excess media.